am in Ortiz getting my groceries. Let me tell you, it is freaking packed in this place. My kids love pepperoni. Pepperonis. This is the grocery so far. They love these. Applesauce. The fruit. Blueberries is on sale, $1.99. This is like filler stuff in the refrigerator. It's in the refrigerator. Let me tell you, it's packed up in this joint. It is packed. I don't usually come in the morning, but I'm up here in the morning this time. And olive oil. I mean, not olive oil. But I need some. I usually come on Sundays. I don't know why. I need some more coconut oil. Oh, I'm going to Walmart, so I'll get my coconut oil from Walmart. I think that's why I'm gonna turn on my Uber app. They got this stevia. And I said I was gonna try it, but to see what the difference is, because they say stevia is supposed to be better. But the price is $2.99, so I'm gonna see. So not today. I don't even see no coconut oil. Hold on. Oh, here we go. Grapeseed. It's $3.99. I think I can get a bigger one at Walmart. Oh, here go one. A smaller one. This one ain't frozen. I mean, you know, like in that, what's the name, form? Like in this form.
That's up to you, Mom.
This one. The other one is liquid. So, I usually get this. So I think I'm gonna stick with this. Even though it's cheap. I mean, it's not cheaper. It costs more. But anyway, okay. Hey, y'all, I'm back. Okay, let me tell you. Where am I? Man, I'm up here. And they got a new Chick-fil-A where I'm at. Oh, there you go. And it is like, the chicken must be $1. It must be some kind of promotion going. Hunty, I need to turn my Uber up on right here. Because, let me tell you. That line wrapped around the whole building. And they like McDonald's. They got two driveways, two lines, two windows, not two windows, but two of the machines, you know, where you can order from. I'm like, whoo, is it that serious? You know why Chick-fil-A is doing better than a lot of these restaurants? Let me tell y'all the real reason why. Because he honor God. Hallelujah. Let me tell you. This restaurant, for real though, they supposed to have, like today, I done already said that that's where I'm eating my lunch. Before I go in, I'm going to Chick-fil-A and I'm going to get their chicken salad. And that's what I'm going to eat for lunch, dinner today. Because their chicken salad look good. I usually get, who do I usually get? Wendy's? Oh, God, yeah. It ain't so hot. It done calm down now. So now when I drink it, it tastes good. But I saw they sell it on TV. I'm like, man, this salad look good. So I'm gonna go get their salad today, and that's what I'm gonna have for lunch, dinner. I keep saying lunch at home. So I done finished my grocery shopping. I got a meeting at 2 o'clock. It all depends on if that snow coming down, whether I'm gonna cancel my meeting or not. But I'm getting ready to. I'm at Bath and Body Works. I gotta go get my daughter-in-law a candle for her birthday. She liked candles. Her birthday was about a week ago, and she liked candles. And I was gonna have it delivered to her house, but man, that's an extra $5. And then what happened if something happened and it break? I'm gonna be so upset. So I'm gonna just gonna buy it, and when I see it, I'm gonna give it to her. And maybe my son, maybe he'll come and get it, cause I gotta go get my grandson a gift. I gotta get my grandson a gift, and I gotta go get my baby granddaughter just turned 1. I'll probably just get her a little stuffed animal or something. I just bought all these kids. Next year, you know what I'm gonna do on Christmas time? I'm at everybody's Christmas gifts during Christmas time, and I'm gonna put them up. That's what I'm gonna do. Instead of all year trying to buy 10 more gifts. No, we ain't doing that. So, except for the ones that's later on in the year, I probably won't. But I got 3 in January. I turn around. We got 3 in January, and I think I'm off the hook or off the chain until May. Then May I got 2 more. In June, I think baby dolls in June. And I think Rosie is in July. And that's when they start picking up. Butter is in August. And then I got 2, Larry and Cherish, in September. So that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes! Look at that. But anyway, it's lunchtime. Let me see if I can catch it up. Put this money back in my car, back in the bank that I just spent on my groceries. You see what I'm saying? You see what I'm saying? Maybe I can make about $60 for lunchtime before it starts snowing. Because I ain't getting ready to be out here in the snow, because the sister ain't got no 4-wheel drive. I got a Camry, shoot. Anybody got time? But I'm going to see if I can catch a few dollars. Even if I put half of it back in, I ain't mad. Oh, excuse me. Right now, hey y'all. My lips is dry again. That's why I keep this, bam, in my car. I keep one in my car. I keep one by my desk. I keep a big one in the house that I replenish all the rest of them with. It's winter. It's cold. So when it's cold, you be dry. You know, we black folks, we be dry. And I don't put on a lot of lotion because I sweat. And then I put lotion on my hand and I put it on my face, and then I start sweating. So I use Vaseline, you know. That's what the people used to tell. That's what our ancestors used, and they used to tell us to put some Vaseline on. It might be shining, but at least you be moist. You be moist. So I keep my Vaseline with me. Okay, I'm talking too much. I told y'all I'm gonna be talking to y'all all day. All day. So let me run in Bath and Body Works, and while I'm in there, I'm gonna turn my app on. All right, y'all. I'm online. got my Uber app on. I went in Bath and Body Works. I picked up 3 candles and I reframed myself and put one back. I got one for my daughter-in-law for her birthday. It smells so good, cherry blossom or something blossom. And I got me the same one. I was gonna get me one of those in the watermelon. But I decided to put one back because they was like $37. Even with 20% off, they was $37. So it's like 14 something for a piece, and then 20% off. That only brought it down to 37. I was like, nope, take one off. Take one off. So guess what, y'all? Oh, y'all can't see it, but y'all see that? Here come the snow. Here come the snow. Starting to snow. It's starting to snow, and I'm just not turning my app on. So maybe I can get a couple deliveries before it gets too bad. So yeah, I don't know. I think I'm gonna call my pastor, and I'm just gonna cancel this. I'm gonna cancel our meeting, and I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. Cause ain't nobody trying to get caught up in the snow. So let me set y'all here. Cause he live a little further out than did not have to catch the freeway to get home. And I don't like getting on the freeway when it's snowing. Sorry I couldn't take y'all in Bath and Body Works with me come. You know, when they go in the store, them ladies, they be on your back. Be like, hi, can I help you? I'm like, y'all, give me a sale. So, I don't know. I don't even feel like doing Uber for real. I ain't lying to y'all. But I ain't do it last week. And it's so early, and I don't have nothing else to do. If I stay out here in these streets, I'm gonna be spending money, and I don't want to do that. Well, I need to go home and pay my light bill. All right, let me check and make sure my app's still on. Yeah, it's still on. I bet you I think it's a promotion going on right now. So it is. I'm gonna go over here and park by Chickfila. Where I'm at, is there a lot of restaurants up here? Uber request. Okay. Well, I got my first order, y'all. Yep, I got my first order, y'all. I gotta go to Subway. And it's just, I don't know why I chose to come up here, all this traffic. But anywhere where it's the restaurants at, it's usually shops, so it's a lot of traffic. So I'll get back with y'all after I deliver it. Well, I dropped off my first delivery, which was Subway. Now, I think I'm getting ready to go ahead in here while I'm waiting for them to find me another order. Chick-fil-A.